Welcome, SATs geniuses, to question number 19. A machine pours 250 millilitres of juice every 4 seconds. How many litres of juice does the machine pour every minute? Now notice the question says litres when in the fact up here it says millilitres, so we'll have to bear that in mind later on. So the first thing I'm going to do is try and stay calm. I'm going to write out my fact. 250 ml is equal to 4 seconds. We're going to try and build that 4 seconds back up to 60 seconds because everybody knows that in a minute is 60 seconds. Okay, now we're going to build this up gently. Now there's different ways of doing this, so I'll show you two different ways. So the first thing you could do is times the 4 by 5 to make 20 seconds. But if you're timesing 4 by 5, you're going to have to times the 250 by 5. So 5 nothings would be nothing, 5 fives would be 25, put the 5 in, carry the 2, and 5 twos are 10, plus 2 is 12. So that would mean that 1,250 millilitres would be equal to 20 seconds. So straight away we've built the 4 seconds back up to 20 seconds. And to get, remember, we're trying to get to 60 seconds. So to get from 20 seconds to 60 seconds, we would triple it. In other words, we would times by 3. Because 20 seconds times by 3 would give you 60 seconds. And 60 seconds is a minute, which is actually what we're trying to get to. So if you times your 20 seconds by 3, if you're tripling your 20 seconds, you would have to triple your 1,250. So let's see where that gets us. 3 nothings are nothing, 3 fives are 15, put the 5 in, carry the 1, 3 twos are 6, plus the 1 is 7, and 3 ones are 3. So it'll be 3,750 millilitres is equal to 60 seconds. Now because 60 seconds is 1 minute, we have basically found our answer. 60 seconds is 1 minute. But our answer is in millilitres and it wants it in litres. So 3,750 millilitres, well 3,000, you should know that 1,000 millilitres is 1 whole litre. So if 1 litre is 1,000, 2 litres is 2,000, 3 litres is 3,000, so it's going to be 3 whole litres, and then the 750 is 0.75, so it's going to be 3.75 litres. You don't really need the 0. You could put 3.750 litres, but you don't really need that extra 0, so 3.75 litres will do. So we've got our answer, but we could have done this a different way as well. We could have said if it's 250 millilitres every 4 seconds, then 250 would be 4 seconds. So 500 would be 8 seconds, 750 would be 12 seconds, and then 1,000 millilitres would be 16 seconds. So we've just figured out that 1 litre, because 1,000 is 1 litre, is 16 seconds. So if 1 litre is 16 seconds, 2 litres must be 2 lots of 16. Well, 2 lots of 16 would be 32 seconds. 3 litres would be 3 lots of 16. Well, if you add another 16 onto 32, it gets you 48 seconds. And 4 litres would be another lot of 16. Well, another lot of 16 would take us to 64 seconds. But wait a second. That is more than a minute, so it can't be 4 litres because we've gone over a minute. And we've actually gone 4 seconds over. So if this 64 is 4 seconds over, we need to take 4 seconds off. So take 4 seconds off 64 would take you down to 60 seconds, but you need to take 4 seconds of juice off. So 4 seconds of juice in the original question said 250. So you would have to do 4 litres, take away 250 millilitres. Well, that would be 4,000, take away 250, which would be 3,750 millilitres. And 3,750 millilitres is exactly the same as 3.75 litres. So that's a completely different way that you could have worked out your answer.